Yo, dudes, good morning. Is it morning?
It isn't actually.
Sorry, good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're all doing fine. Today, I am not wearing my sunglasses. Someone actually said in the comments section maybe they could relate to me more if I didn't wear my sunglasses. So I'm going to try not wearing my sunglasses today. Currently, Andy is working on this. What is it? JZX81 Cresta. Cresta, yeah. 1JZ, very nom nom. What's up with this?
Had a little misfire due to cooler packs. I'm just checking the speedo sensor and a few other bits and pieces on it. So.
And then it's off to
Ireland.
I believe. Once Andy has finished on the JZX81, we're going to be pulling the Civic in. Woo woo! Before we start that, as you guys remember from the last episode, we are giving away my Sora rear bumper in this week's patron competition, which I will go and grab now. Woo! 1.6 Sora bumper. Seen a lot of walls this, many histories. I'm going to sign this bumper. I'm also going to go around the farm and get all the lads that have been involved with the project to sign it as well. Once we've all signed it, we'll pop onto Patreon and see who answered the question correctly. In last week's competition, I asked the patrons how many cars have I owned since I was 17. How many do you think I've owned?
6. 37.
Hey, no, 38.
Oh,
It's 38.
see?
The answer is in fact 38. I've had 38 cars physically myself since I was 17. That doesn't count sort of cars I've bought and sold as a car dealer. Now it's time to pick a winner.
How many of those cars are still on the road?
Right, let's find the post on Patreon, which is here. So we had 49 comments, so yeah, 49 entries. Who's the closest or who guessed 38? Let's have a quick look. Oh, 32, James is the closest. Oh, 37, Ooh. Cameron's looking strong. 22, 33, 48, no. 43, no, Cameron is the official winner. Congratulations, man. I hope you don't live in America or abroad. Actually, let's check that out, man. Let's see where Cameron lives. If he lives abroad, I'm going to be crying because I'm going to have to post this abroad. I've just checked and Cameron is in Scotland, so yeah, I haven't got to send the bumper too far. Anyway, Cameron, I will put the bumper in a big box and get it couriered to you in the next few days. Right, let's crack on with ye old Civic. Here is the beast, looking sick. What do you think of my new wheels, Jay? Oh, you saw these, didn't you?
I did.
Hide that, hide that.
Okay, no, that
Apart from that,
no, that's good.
Apart from that, looks sick. First things, what are we doing today, Andy? Now we are doing things. First things first, we're going to be fitting a front splitter. I asked you guys in the audience which do you prefer, the Mugen EPR splitter or the Type R one. Unanimously, you guys said the Mugen splitter, and EPR would be very kind to send one down for us.
Oh, well done, that's it. Well done.
Here we go. So yeah, one front splitter. We're actually running a 10% discount with EPR on the Honda Civic front splitter. So yeah, if you want to check them out, their website is down here. All you've got to do to get your discount is send them an email, mention Monkey London, and save some money. Oh, EPR also sent us a very nom fortune cookie, some cool stickers and a lanyard. Let's see what our fortune is. Da, 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 da. What does it say?
I don't speak German, to be fair.
Now turn it over, English.
Oh, okay, that's all right.
Love is free, lust will cost you everything you have.
Okay.
Ooh.
It's all about the love.
I love the Honda, so she's going to look after me. I've also got a nice new radiator to go on from Phoenix, some bits from Mick's Garage. We've also got a whole load of nice shiny bits from 621. I will show you guys all those parts in a little bit. First things first, we're going to crack on with the splitter. Right, let's open up this bad boy. See what she's all about. Should be like Casey Neistat, just rip it open. There we go. Nice quality. EPR. Very nom. So yeah, chuck that on there, sort of sits like that, and it will make the car look a lot more aggressive. Do you think we should paint it? No, just leave it black.
No, leave it black.
Leave it black. Let's have a little look from down here, man, see what this beast is going to look like. So yeah, I think the car is going to look pretty sick once we fit this splitter. Installation is going to be a breeze. We've got 2 holes here, so 2 screws there. And we're going to make a little incision in here and make a couple of other holes. I'm also using a brand new external Rode microphone in today's episode. I know a few of you are mentioning in the comments section that the audio was a bit weird when I was talking behind the camera. So yeah, let me know if the audio is better now that we're using an external mic. We've used a center punch just to make a little incision on the side of the splitter. Now I'm just going to drill some holes.
Hopefully.
Hopefully
not through my finger.
Very safety conscious here.
Alright, so that was a pilot hole. So this is basically advanced splitter fitting. This isn't any splitter fitting, this is Project D style.
Oh, hang on a sec. Health and safety.
I don't think the pilot was right.
Wait.
Start again.
I love this. Alright, viewers.
Aussie Bear in the house. Digital zoom, look at that. Flush fit, self-tapper. Excellent job, projectdrift.com/. That is the splitter all installed, and I think it looks pretty sick. Let us know in the comment section, do you like the new look? I'm going to say unanimously, yes. Very kindly, Mr. Adam at 621 sent me some rather nice aluminium lightweight wheel lugs in a rather fetching sort of light grey. Very nice, they look great on the cart. We've also got a 621 oil cap, very yum. We've got a 621 neochrome gear knob, which is going to be much nicer than the, I've got a Mugen dildo. Also got some canards, and he also very kindly sent me some wheel lugs for the Sora as well. First things first, we'll stick the lovely oil cap on, get rid of that junk. The sticker actually comes off so you can kind of get it straight. Let's have a look. Oh, lovely. Obviously it's ruined by this disgusting rocker cover. We will get it painted pretty soon. Stick that in there, it's going to look sick. Next up is the lovely neochrome gear knob. Let's fit that bad boy. Take that off there. Put this bad boy. Oh no, it's got a silly thread adapter. I need to get rid of that. Already looks much better. I like the ball type gear knobs, I must admit, I prefer them to the longer dildo types. 621, absolute legend, that looks 10 times better. Next up we've got these super sexy aluminium lightweight wheel nuts for the Civic. I've installed the rear wheel lugs. We'll do the fronts once we put the front wheels back on. But yeah, the car's looking much better. If you want to check out some of the goodness that 621 has on his website, check it out down here. We're actually running a 10% discount on all 621 wheel nuts. Use code ML10 at checkout and save yourself 10% off. That's the radiator removed. Get rid of that skinny piece of junk. This is the new Phoenix Rad, that is the old one. You can see there's a massive difference in core thickness. Mr. Gandhi is just screwing the old fan on. You like a bit of screwing, don't you? No comment. That's the electric fan all mounted up, all good to go. And he's just put the little rubbers back in. Oh baby, it's going to definitely tidy up the engine bay, this. It's going to look fresh. All we've got to do now is just connect the bottom and the top rad hose up and then fill her up with some coolant. If you guys want to check out the high performance rads that Phoenix have on offer, check out their website here. We're always running a 15% discount code. I'm going to do a cheeky little demonstration to show the car now starts on the key. Just about. What was the issue with the alternator?
I don't know.
What did we have to do to fix it?
The pulley was covered in CV grease.
That's not helpful.
No, and also I guess the old belt wasn't tensioned properly because the tensioner hadn't been touched.
Hence it got munched.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, at least it works now. So no more battery pack. No, I'm going to kind of miss the battery pack.
I know, what are you going to do? Driving around without the bonnet?
And like someone pointed out in the comment section, the battery pack always looked really happy. TJ Hunting with his guys on it.
You can't compare.
Gigi's going to model this week's patron prize.
Which way up is it? That
What's
way?
that? What do you think that's from, Gigi?
Cresta?
Yeah, fist bump. So yeah, this is the original grill that was on my very first ever JZX90 Cresta, which Andy did lots of work on. And which I crashed in BDC really well. I got the hard charger award, so this grill has got a lot of memory. If you guys want to be in with a chance with winning this week's patron prize, check out my Patreon down here, and good luck to everyone that enters. Pop, pop.
Very corroded nipples, Toby.
What's wrong with my nipples?
Very corroded.
Apparently I've got corroded nipples. So yeah, we're just doing the front braided brake lines now. We've got a pretty decent braking setup now. Obviously DC2 discs, DC2 calipers, and then Hell braided brake lines. As you saw in the last episode, we've now got a rear disc conversion done as well on the back. Also running some braided brake lines. Project Drift, baby. Don't forget, we're actually running discount schemes with all the parts that we fitted today. So if you're interested in seeing what the discount schemes are, check below in the description. That's all the brakes taken care of. Next up, we're gonna chuck the wheels back on, lower her down, and see what she looks like with the new sick EPRacing splitter. Moment of truth has now come. Gonna lower her down and see what she looks like with the new splitter. Trying to time it. Here you go, go, go. Yeah. Yay, that looks much better. Someone said that the Mugen lip looks rubbish with the pre-facelift, but I think it looks pretty cool. Word up, bro. Make sure you give Andy a cheeky little follow down here. He'd really, really appreciate it. Good news, the turbo kit should be here, I think tomorrow or the next day. So when that gets here, we'll start cracking on with the turbo conversion. Got some pretty exciting times ahead. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to check my Patreon down here. Give the video a like, put your comments down below. I'll do my best to get back to you, and we will see you soon.